Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you the latest update about Dr. Riek Machar court hearing, the reopening of Nasser Hospital, the arrival of SPLA VIP Protection Force in Unity State, and the political reaction between the SPLM and Nhial. Stay with me till the end because we will go deep into each story, what it means, who involved, and how it affects South Sudan as the country. And before we proceed with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's look at Dr. Riek Machar's special court hearing today, October 22nd, 2025. In Juba, the special court handling the case of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other senior members of the SPLM-IO has once again adjourned its hearing. The judge announced that the next session will take place on Friday, October 24, 2025. Now, what is important here is what both sides, the prosecution and the defense, said before the court was adjourned. The prosecution team want the court to continue the case even if 13 other SPLM-IO members are missing. They say those accused members took part in what they call the Nasser incident of March 2025, and they should be tried even in their absence. On the other side, the defense lawyers are saying something different. They say before they can continue, they must be allowed to see all case files and get copies of every document that the prosecution has submitted. They said it is their legal right to know every detail before cross-examining the main investigator in the case. The tension in court is growing. Many people are waiting to see whether the judge will side with the prosecution and move the case forward, or agree with the defense to give them more time to prepare. Dr. Riek Machar's supporters say this case is political and that it is a way to weaken the SPLM-IO ahead of coming election. Others argue that it is part of the government promise to ensure accountability for incidents of violence. Whatever the outcome, this court case has already caught the attention of South Sudanese people everywhere, at home and abroad. We will be watching closely on Friday, October 24, to bring you the full decision from the judges. For now, let's move to our second story, a positive one from Nasser. This is according to the Nasser commissioner. Nasser Hospital reopened after months of conflicts. The main hospital in Nasser town in Upper Nile, which was closed for several months due to conflict in the area, has finally reopened. This hospital is very important to the people of Nasser and nearby villages. For a month, people struggled to find medical help. Many mothers gave birth at home and children went untreated because the hospital was closed. But today, the County Commissioner General Gadwe Jok confirmed that the Nasser Teaching Hospital is back in operation under the supervision of the State Minister of Health with strong support from UNICEF. Speaking to the media, General Gadwe said, the hospital is supported by UNICEF and those working there are all people of Nasser. This is a great message because it shows local ownership. The doctor, nurses, and staff are from the same community they served. Now, what does this mean for the people? It means access to clean water, safe childbirth, treatment for malaria, and vaccination for children. It also means hope for a community that has suffered too long from war and displacement. The reopening of Nasser Hospital also sent a message of peace, that development can happen even after conflict. As one of elder in Nasser said, when our hospital work again, our heart also heal. Before we move on, the community there in Nasser, they have rejected, claiming that there's no civilian there in Nasser, only SSPDF and some of the people that are supporting the government. And most people in Nasser, they are not staying within their villages because the villages are being destroyed. They were destroyed by the SSPDF using helicopter, and most people, elders, children, women, and everyone in Nasser, they are in refugee camp. and they rejected the way the commissioner of Nasser said that the hospital is reopened. Of course, even if the hospital is reopened, still people are not there. The civilians are not within Nasser. Civilians are residing in refugee camp due to the fear of being targeted by the government. Let us now move from Upper Nile to Unity State, where SPLA or VIP protection force have safely arrived after facing dangerous attack. SPLA VIP protection arrived in Kaljak. The SPLA VIP protection force, along with SOA troop who were stationed in the Abiy Special Administrative Area, have arrived safely in Kaljak today, October 22nd, 2025. According to the report, their journey was not easy. Along the way, the troops faced multiple ambush from the SSPDF, but they managed to overcome and arrived safely with their families. When they reached Kaljak, they were received warmly by the Bulnur and Ngok Dinka communities. The forces thanked these two communities for their kindness and protection, saying they will never forget the brotherhood and peace shown to them. One of the commander told local reporter that we thank our brothers from Bulnur and Ngok Dinka for allowing us and our family to pass safely. This shows we can live together as one people. This arrival means a lot. It shows that even in difficult time, unity between communities is possible. It also reminds us that peace is built by ordinary people, not just leaders. As the SPLM forces settle in Kaljak, local residents are calling on the National Army and IO leadership to continue dialogue and cooperation instead of more fighting. People are tired of war. What they want is peace, safety, and development. This story from Kaljak gave us hope that reconciliation between different groups in South Sudan is not possible. It is already happening on the ground. Now we move to our last story, a political one from Juba. SPLM to Nhial Deng Nhial register a party, don't form an undemocratic movement, that is the claim. In Juba, the Sudan People Liberation Movement, SPLM, has sent a strong message to Nhial Deng Nhial, a former senior party members. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. The SPLM said Nhial should register a political party and compete in the coming election instead of forming what they call an undemocratic movement. This comes after Nhial Deng Nhial recently launched a new group called the South Sudan Salvation Movement. Nhial accused the government of blocking election and holding on to power unfairly. Responding to that, Bull McQueen, the SPLM Secretary for Political Affairs, spoke to the media and said he was surprised by Nhial Deng Nhial moved. McQueen said, if our brother Nhial want to play politics, he is free to come to South Sudan, register his political party and campaign. That is democracy. He added that there are 54 political parties in the country and 29 of them are already registered. The rest are encouraged to follow democratic procedures, not to form movements that act outside the law. McQueen also criticized Nhial Deng Nhial for accusing the government of corruption while still being a sitting member of National Assembly. He said if Honorable Nhial Deng Nhial has evidence of mismanagement, he should use parliament to ask questions, not the street. This political tension shows how divided South Sudanese political scene still is. Many people believe Nhial Deng Nhial want to prepare for the upcoming election independently, while other thing is trying to challenge SPLM dominance. Either way, the SPLM message is clear. If you want to play politics, register, don't rebel. As South Sudan aids toward election, more political groups are expected to emerge, each promising reform, unity, or change. But as we always say here on Changfied, the true change must come from the people, not from power struggle at the top. And that is the news update for today, right here on Changfied. Chana jome chana link in content lat Carodian. Bana racha ketin content way rewika South Sudan and Wale. Go te one long to lat Carodian to go rode nas diken kalinka dobadan and token keje. Bana jetoka leran yam ledana de kon lat ken konun yam please go no jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mite ka miji din inshallah be chamala shube kiji mani gor no jin be subscribed gwaza me man bana linga no ka kan la retiti mani ambana right ka Dr. Machar a special court case and chala den walle wiki juba a special court handling charge talk ka first by President Dr. Machar kanane dangbarotin content charian kel tila SPLA anyok cha lugme cha nyok mi yot ka jenya cha yot ka shanka den dang rawi dong wan ka pai wal ronkin dang rawi den dang rawi de man guro bialing man bum gwasame kan bon dang raw persecution kana defense ne kontin goro jeno de kan Dr. Machar kana jikwara ka kuma SPLA de kan kayen kana to kono goro de kan Dr. Machar kan jikwa de kan kamrar rere kan me mi gorga jen go chot gatina wa shikrwal wa kan te gadi kan kalat kan wena mo sha ko cha chu yonni am no balat ke jen chen dang re wan la prosecution team tin kwa Dr. Machar kwa je challenge chigala do ne na jeni kan de ko der wo nyam shang men ngut ne dangwal doctor gorke re kuma ka SPLA to chala no ikane ri participate karek shang men te ga jorte ne dangwal di chala den ri kon kaling ne dangwal di toni ke members ko kuma SPLA kan chala do chicken tere we ke juba gorke ke kuma gwanden kon tiketin kanen tame prosecution team kan chang teleke bna wo wonyam chang teleke kane de kona sha gwan taye da na shirye ke to ga Nasser kane de toni gorko mone kume akin me yadit gor kan ode kan ga yen kel ka Dr. Machar shirene dang barotin kon kel kering Machar kamar den gwas men la defense lawyer shi kan la do ne na kan gor kan one na mi bi luga me bo wonyam kan gor kan file dialen kontin sha lat ke documentin kontin cha gor kume men la prosecution team ta dana gwan ke Dr. Machar ga je kan ji kwara kan gor kan file ba ka kop ko ba ka kam ke kene chondien ko de kamka ko bikantin kontin gwan ga bikan ko kula ngach jo mo ma chala de ken ngai kone en luga me lung me bej no ge kenin ramadan la lugan tama mi ba chonkel kanetin kontin gorga jeno de ka Dr. Machar de kene yen ki ba chonkel no kanetin kontin la defense lawyer ba jodien bejelin ki ba defense lawyer ba ko mo ke tam real karuden kakaje right now ne me tin lo we ge no en case min me wa beje mat ke beje long ka kanit kontin la jashni ke jingone ko mu kana lele jiak bi South Sudan bo rerika mu kan lela gwa den dong bi South Sudan ba gwa so te kareo ko kaneti lan kin mi yadi ka kire janane puje ke jo kan wo Riek Machar ali alkena na kev den konen chalat wa riuden dial wa ka tich telwang ti charing Machar cha de yen ka kan Dr. Machar supporter ke kini kon shunkan kel ke kini kon shunkan Machar kene ke zame ke luga me politic ka kujamo lat ke je ko ba SPLM ayo ba je yar ke ba je weekend ba jagat lot ko cha je benok ke chicken be participate ka coming election ke la national election dana balat la ko inquiry tanat ka kum lat keno me gwalung ko barami ci dolat den baje jogono jinti ka dwer kan woda batte je dweran wanta kan non bare gwata mem ajen me nyodo en keza me kim lat ka me luka me jen siyasa ki politik ka do danan be ke je ka ja anta dana bibin ka jarar en luka me be South Sudan be jager ko temene dial weekend ta dan lat ke case ka jemme bela mi je ke bela mi gwana gwich ka to dan lat ke je ka ja an wisina me ajena dan inshallah da walle cha luk cha nyom kap je jok ka chang yan dang ro dung wan bana jeling ka jen Friday be en wo ngum broda lat ko en luk ka ta dan inshallah ke je inshallah en wo ne ka jok bana luk ka diok Monday Wednesday ka Friday kan nin dang jok to bana da lu ka mone leer dina bana ñokom lin kono gwasa me Nasser jom chalat ka Nasser hospital cha ñokom lep ke je ko kor gwate dane ci kor ci tok cha jaga ramoray gwasa me chala da no ne jene cha Nasser cha hospital cha jelep be jel lar ye ka do bran chalat ke je medan ti kondi alanga no cha hospital re which kana sa cha de gen me ti kor me ti tok me cha no re ke civilian cha kanak de ni ke helicopter ne di al chika pot ka sha point de en hospital which I should abandon ke cha de ban pe elip Nasser gwa lungu no de jelip ko dar na der kalwa ka jom charat gwa se me kanir konti kel ke kim yadi de kanito on tama elip hospital kana me benetin content tiak Nasser be kalwa no ko ni to want chu na tele wal you know gwa da dan and de man de adapt intelligence too much but man bana ngajene ne en railer kana me ko ngai kondi ala tiram te Nasser right now but the county commissioner general Gadwich ala ro tana ticketin general Gadwich jok ajen commissioner entere which binami ke kware cha kwan ajara mandan la no Nasser teaching hospital cha nyo mele ko je kan ta melede question no ne ka ngana ku de titino ne ka ngai kondi ala ne dial ka ko refugee camp dong de ka ne kel che do badan en dong ngai ko ne but ka jo chalat gwas me ko bajeling ne itin ko kentin kwa ga support ba gu no te ne de chilun jok but still tel mishale mal na ngu de shusken tel ram te Nasser shit ko ban tok ban jalat but according to him jene ken cha dul wal cha jele Ramadan look a UNICEF kan state minister of health kan de kon let ko ba dul wal ba ñom lepp ko ja ci roy ke ji media no hospital ne de kon letten ke ji UNICEF ka ga Nasser kan de kon letten jen message dana ci no mi cha welcome no mu gwa mi de pin kamal of course ci jek gwa ya but right now ngot pin te kare so jen ta dana chalar no mo wana kaler do dien na me chala do ne VIP protection for dung SPLA yo kan swa ki bona do dien nan chal ke swa waken shika chop dorandan wugatin mishal ke kaljak no kaljak te group kona county unit state SPLA yo VIP protection force kan bon shal ke swa kan shika chuje long no ene chagalas ka be like special administrative area jen gwada dan tikitin barai now chiga chop ka kaljak en wala ka changa jan dang ro ro ka pai wel ronkin dang ro jan dang ro de shop bien chicken shup palor shup kan ka kor to wanda dop ka jen en gwada dan jen ka tindio je konaling en gwada malaka pas ke SSPDF multiple ambush da dobe nan jelgatin ban ngoda la kan wo ka jo kenka tama chala do chika chup ka chi mana kel men ken ka gad ken deni tin la deni SPLA yo ka swa wa chika chup dora mom chal ka kal jagone no atere chikan talo chikan lar ne ko ne chaga receive watching bulnwer community chikan ka lor ka chaga lor bo ngok din ka community gwada dan tigetin chikan community dang ro ti chikan ka lat lo ajalon ko kani chalan mu gwana jen chajalat so manyo dodi en community ne bane mi jakno shi siasa ke be da de na de let kel jengno la kula ti ka kwar ti bana ba ka yar dong bi kana gorno bi community bi ko rodien nak so ci kuma SPLA yo ci kan ti ci kan kala telwaj ko kan gorno bi ka ta milet kana ci kan bul nor community kan la telwaj ci kan ngok din ka ci kan la telwaj ci ga chup kamal ka jowdan ci kan lat jenta dan chalat ke je kuma SPLA yo kan shikan station darshal ka kaljak yen gwadan tigitin ka jon kwalat gwasme wa gurge jenwo de code je ko kapchon kam SSPDF kan SPLA yo SSPDF chicken je SPLA yo chicken gadela ma gonten kontigitin ko kan de kon lawe ko gurka no de kan SPLA yo de kan de but right now wa chine to chi chup kamal chana ko ben ka larandan de konling and wale kan kono nyam please subscribe turn on the notification bell ko bitin konto be kula linga an wala che joje no Nhial Deng Nhial cha message de medane cha gor cha je loy gwatme chi SPLM pinker mi yadi chika braran wale chika jo chika video ni chiken kalat dio je chika ben ka pin dang bakel ti chikan ga gor ka wudi chal kan Nhial Deng Nhial te ka pin cho wel badak ti gor but gwasme joje no bel ken Nhial Deng Nhial ken an man cha form ken an democratic movement jan ken bonana cha Nhial Deng Nhial ken shi democratic no people South Sudan People Liberation Movement SPLM chicken message ken Nhial Deng Nhial la former senior party member chicken Nhial Deng Nhial yogono jin instead of dong de baraki be part of the individual form they register your political party gwa the mene ko dara kula compete ke election and be but right now chi jien chi wuchang ni and democratic movement rar na me jor lat ke ekir me yadit jom chene me kan Nhial Deng Nhial me chala kan je ka gor kan ode kan Nhial Deng Nhial de kan yen ko Nhial Deng Nhial charo de wo queen ke charo de wo gor party do dien Michal ka South Sudan Salvation Movement and South Sudan Salvation Movement mo e dunde which form outside of South Sudan ko gor jen wo be but ke election ke but ke movement do dien la jen wo chikir me yadit che duop che bai so jen me chaka no mone but chakul jogo no ne South Sudan Salvation Movement che chago chagwa Nhial jene ne a jene man jana je ke SPLM o SPLM chikir me yadit che election che block che government kuma kin yadit che gor no take election me balat kan gor ko no bigger te ka power ke ka bom kan me be wujdo ko no nyamde jen do bana jene je chunu shalga bul makwing ka jen SPLM secretary for political affairs che right gwasmene chala do ne a jene chaka nger ke chaka gai kuma na chala da Nhial Deng Nhial of course kan quicken no dong de Nhial Deng Nhial de jen ko Nhial Deng Nhial ram ngai ke long mi che jene meni blow ko party dung SPLM ke pin ke me yadit a jene me demanda ne Nhial Deng Nhial gor jeno be politique be je play der la free telerik no do no der party de der je register kenyam namo de chole democracy bada we ro mo ka party den kuma ke me yadit na me che chon ke shi magwa Chenya wala do ne rewi ke South Sudan ti party ni ti shop ke 54 party ni ti jendi ju dong wan te ke rewi ke South Sudan ti jene cha jendang ro 29 of them cha registered party jendi dong wan radian party jendang ro bang wan cha registered lo ke ti cha recognize secure a jene ne ti ko kien gwa semoni kan ke recognize but cha ga jogo kwa de yen ben bok ko de yen party ko de register angum be ke kumararan walle mulat kona men beke kumarar jene chitke makwen kule la secretary manaka kuma kirm yadit Nhial Deng Nhial che kuma che jela jor che kuma che ja accuse no kir no che corruption che jaga jatu wana no a jene ne diala konen wena mo chicken corrupt ke che corruption chicken lat cha ko jilla de wona ne tin kon te pinkir yadit ken Nhial Deng Nhial jen che der wajene ko jen ramimo milla members National Assembly no a janemi guje jan which cha jia ke cha te mismanagement ke cha corruption che den de bene jan ke bidani dere je share ka parliament and then dere mandan tije dere je tij but de won jan da dop we message we je jakne dial shal ke social media e da dop ko che dor che jo break out ke che leak out cha information cha jenga chen wo che kim yadit chicken mi je chicken chef ko ken they allow corruption to take place so chi Nhial Deng Nhial wena mo che je chu tan rar ajen mi bukararan walle kwet ken Nhial Deng Nhial kwet ken dur chairman chaling gwasme right now lat ke jenu ka kor gwaden be bataka parin to wan long to be jo chere wi ka South Sudan ko secure teme che gorje no be power be je consolidate che gorje no be free and fair election ba je la wi ka South Sudan jen do be dan kuna tie ke je Nhial Deng Nhial wajen dio ke jeno real rode ka upcoming election ko belet independently ala tere ram gor no bi challenge bo alo a party de chabu chonka kwikir but be chonka wala la party de so mi ke no neme be South Sudan be jago be je daklung ko kir go jeno de na de ke kore pinda ko le Nhial ka ko corruption ko jala ba neme chaje lo Nhial Deng Nhial jen do badana na Nhial Deng Nhial chaje ko der ke je and wale a born and done and Riek Kirmiyadi. Well, we cover the latest on Dr. Machar court case, the reopening of Nasser Hospital and the safe arrival of SPLA VIP Protection Force, and the ongoing political debate between SPLM and Nhial Deng Nhial. Remember, our mission is to bring truth, hope, and unity to our people through honest reporting and community voices. If you enjoyed today's news, please subscribe, like, and share this video to spread awareness and support independent journalism. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel, and don't forget also to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Go to Nojin, be subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. Comment me break guatame be shamala chibekeji. Go to Benojin be char be jatobi komanda na lingi guasmene. Ana be atakamal bana jikale redin bye bye.